SPX opens and we break and start that reversal pattern right out the gate, I'm going to be looking for longs, back into 59 and then back into 87, right? I will be looking for longs, but we got to get through the 5-minute first. The reversal process hasn't even started, right? Everything is leaning short. There's nothing that says to get long yet, unless we get a good open and I see a good 1, 2, 3 reversal around 123 or something like that. That'd be beautiful, but it's not going to happen because we're at 129, or it hasn't happened yet anyway.
Order filled.
Yeah, I might keep moving that order around. Finally got filled on it. SPX has broke the new low. It's on SPX. I just got, I don't know, $5 out of those. Take a little bit more off. In fact, I just want to get another strike if we can get back up here. So I'm waiting for the next setup. Now I got profit stop in place, $1 over for my remainder. So either way, this is a nice win, no matter what. And I'm looking for another good setup. I just made 7 points, in 5 minutes. That was a good setup. Break of lows.